Boosting your rental property income doesn't always require big changes or expensive upgrades. Sometimes small tweaks and smart strategies can make a big impact. Today, we're going to talk about top property management hacks that can help you increase your rental income without breaking the bank. Whether you own a single-family rental or a multi-unit building, these tips will help you get the most out of your investment. First, let's talk about rent optimization. One of the easiest ways to increase your income is by making sure you're charging the right rent for your property. This means regularly reviewing the market and comparing your property's rent to similar properties in the area. Many landlords get comfortable with their current rental rate and don't adjust it even as the market changes. If rents have been rising in your neighborhood and you haven't updated yours in a while, you could be leaving money on the table. Make sure you're not underpricing your property, but also be careful not to price yourself out of the market. A small annual increase that aligns with market trends will help you maintain good cash flow while keeping your property competitive. The second hack is reducing vacancy time. Every day your property sits vacant, you're losing money. To minimize vacancy periods, focus on improving your marketing efforts and streamlining your tenant screening process. High-quality photos, video tours, and well-written descriptions are essential for attracting potential renters online. Consider investing in professional photography if needed, because good visuals can make all the difference. Also, make sure your listing is visible on all the major rental platforms. The more exposure your property gets, the faster you can find a tenant. Additionally, when tenants give notice, start marketing the property right away. Don't wait until they move out. This way, you can have a new tenant lined up to move in as soon as the current one leaves. Next, consider offering value-added services. These are small services that tenants will appreciate and are willing to pay extra for. Examples include high-speed internet, lawn care, or even pet-friendly amenities like a small fenced yard or a designated pet area. Many renters, especially busy professionals, are happy to pay a little more for added convenience. If you manage a multi-unit property, consider offering storage units or parking spaces for an additional fee. These value-added services not only generate extra income, but also make your property more appealing to prospective tenants. Another property management hack is focusing on tenant retention. Finding new tenants is expensive and time-consuming. It's much more cost-effective to keep good tenants in place. One way to do this is by keeping your property well-maintained and being responsive to tenant requests. Happy tenants are more likely to renew their lease, which reduces turnover costs and keeps your income steady. You can also offer lease renewal incentives, like a small discount on rent, a free professional cleaning, or even a minor property upgrade like new appliances. These small gestures go a long way in showing tenants you value them, making them more likely to stay. Another hack is to allow pets. Many landlords avoid renting to tenants with pets because they're worried about potential damage, but the reality is, pet-friendly rentals are in high demand. By allowing pets, you can charge a pet deposit or a monthly pet rent, which adds to your income. As long as you have clear rules about pets and charge a reasonable pet fee, you can attract a larger pool of tenants while generating extra revenue. Finally, consider improving your property's curb appeal. First impressions matter, and a well-maintained exterior can help you attract higher-paying tenants. Simple updates like fresh paint, updated landscaping, or a clean, well-lit entryway can make your property more inviting. Tenants are willing to pay more for a property that looks clean, modern, and safe. The initial investment in curb appeal upgrades is often small, but the return in higher rent and quicker leasing can be significant. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in helping property owners maximize their rental income through smart management strategies. We handle everything from tenant placement and rent collection to property maintenance and upgrades, ensuring your property performs at its best. In summary, boosting your rental property income doesn't always require major changes. By optimizing your rent, reducing vacancies, offering value-added services, retaining good tenants, and cutting operating costs, you can significantly increase your bottom line. If you need help managing your property and maximizing its income potential, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.